Distinguished guests, esteemed educators, and honored participants, may buntag sa inyong tanan. This moment is historic, not just because Ronas Training Center is proud to be the only CPD provider for professional teachers as of today, but also because this is our pilot episode. And this is our smooth takeoff. Thank you for being our passengers, our first passengers. We are not only recognized here in the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, through the PRC, Professionals Regulation Commission, but we are also accredited internationally. Therefore, this accreditation will definitely reflect on the certificates that you will be receiving later on. First international accreditation that we have is from the American Council for Training and Development in New Jersey, USA. Another international accreditation that we have is from the CPD Group of the United Kingdom, specifically in London. This distinction is a testament to our dedication and passion of empowering you educators and shaping the minds of our future generation. Our tagline, continuing professional development at its best. And we are true to it. That's why we are here in Holy Name University, an educational institution who's on the list of those among the best in the country. In fact, just recently, Holy Name was recognized as part of the top 100 in the World University Ranking Innovation, WURI. Rank 58 in Crisis Management, rank 43 in ESG Trend, and rank 61 in University Brand and Reputation. While us, Ronas Training Center is the latest addition to Ronas Group, built in unshakable foundation of our founders, Marcelino and Rona. Their unshakable spirit of resilience and determination. Now, at this point in time, imagine yourself transported back 32 years ago. Sa mga nakabisita na sa Panglao, karon, imagine ninyo ang Panglao 32 years ago. A tranquil of haven, vastly different from what is a busy tourism destination today. You picture Alona Panglao on its early time. The roads leading to and from Tagbilaran City 32 years ago were mere pathways, unpaved, rugged, and challenging. The island landscape was dotted with spare resort. In fact, there are only few resorts 32 years ago and can't be counted by our fingers, strapped to the contrast accommodation facilities we have today. The financial heartbeat of the island did not exist 32 years ago. No banks, no financial institution, no international chain of hotels, and giant food chains. Neighborhoods were scattered and isolated. It was actually lagyo ang mga silingan. 32 years ago, the seed of success were planted in the humblest beginning of Ronas Group, a small sari-sari store. Born out of necessity and nurtured by the sweat and tears of our pioneers, Marcelino and Rona, with a borrowed capital as their only lifeline, they embarked on a journey that would eventually redefine the landscape of the community. Rona's Corner is a brand not in the Philippines maybe, but tourist reference. Ano man, For travelers, they would look for Rona's Corner kay maong ang drop-off point before island hopping, before snorkeling, and its very corner before kamunao sa Alona. From the modest roots, Ronas has evolved into a thriving enterprise, a shining exemplar of an entrepreneurial spirit and a visionary leadership. Today, as Ronas Training takes its rightful place alongside with our sister companies, we honor the indomitable will of our founding parents who dared to dream big despite of all the odds. Their story is a powerful reminder that greatness is not born out of privilege, but out of perseverance, hard work, and unyielding commitment to excellence. As the store's reputation grew, so did its commitments to community. With each passing day, it responded to the evolving needs of customers, guided by unwavering dedication and a deep sense of responsibility. The store's success is a testament of the power of good karma. What you planted to this world, therefore you will harvest. If you planted love, you will harvest love. If you planted goodness, therefore you will be rewarded with goodness. Which is our guiding principles in this inception. Kindness, compassion, and integrity. It has reaped a harvest of loyalty, trust, and admiration from the community that it served. And even if 32 years have passed, that very same couple, Marcelino and Rona, can still be seen in the busy business district of Alona today, and still wakes up, dress up, and show up to their customers, arrange product display, and deal with their suppliers every day. Why I am sharing you this story? I'm sharing you this narrative with these profound reasons. First, our guiding principles are deeply rooted in the wisdom and actions of our founding parents, who instilled in us the invaluable lesson to treat and serve everyone equally, not knowing their titles, name, connections, and backgrounds. Secondly, we are proud to emerge from a humble beginning, unafraid to start small, forge our own path, our willingness to be different, to challenge the status quo, and to innovate to be a driving force. It's okay to start small because that's the smartest way to ensure a long-term success. Thirdly, I'm sharing this story to proudly declare that we are a true Bulanon PRC CPD provider, rooted in the rich culture and heritage of Bohol. With every step forward, we are honored to proclaim, Ato Nibay. And wherever we go, we will be proud to say, Bulanon Nibay. A testament to our unwavering pride in our origin and our commitment to bring this Bulanon pride wherever we go. And as you see on your seminar kits, we have aligned seminars and trainings all over the Philippines. And in fact, that's just for 2025. 2026 will be far more. We will be partnering with universities. Friends, why are we here at Holy Name Universities? Why can't we rent a very beautiful function hall? Yes, we can. Anyone can rent even the most expensive function hall. But not all can be a partner with a credible institution. In Tacloban City, our partner is Leyte Normal University. In Southern Leyte, our partner is Southern Leyte State University. In Dumaguete, our partner is St. Paul University of Dumaguete. And many more are still adding. Finally, Ronas have witnessed the rise and fall of different businesses, from giant resorts that have closed now, to chain of fast food, to small startups that turned to be giant. In a world where only strongest survive, the humble sari-sari store stands tall despite of the emerging names in retail business environment. Just like you, dear professionals, in your organizations, you will never be the best. You will never always be the most skilled, the most talented, the most creative, and you will not be the forever young. Let's accept the fact that time will come. There will be somebody who is better than you, having fresher ideas, much more creative than you. That is why it is very much important to keep up and be up to date with this changing world. Ayaw panghinayani if mo gasto mo ug muhatag mo og oras ug panahon to invest on your continuing professional development, because it is your weapon to be on trend, to add more to your professional asset, and to shield you from upcoming challenges that you might face. And as we gather today to this national seminar workshop on addressing pedagogical challenges, we embark on a transformative journey to redefine the landscape of education, and we want you all to be our partner. RonasTrainingCenter@gmail.com. You may email me directly. That's my personal email actually. For your concerns, for your suggestion, and if you want to be a speaker someday. I am challenging you. In this era of unprecedented challenges, we stand at the crossroad of innovation versus tradition, where the art of teaching meets the science of learning. As educators, we are not merely purveyor of knowledge. We are a master of craftsmanship of mind, shaping every fabric of our society. Today, we converge to confront the pedagogical challenges that threaten to undermine our noble profession, to collectively forge solutions with what we can propel moving forward. Bangon Edukasyon is more than just a theme. It is a clarion call to action. And we want you to be part of that action. Dear tired teachers, please know that every single day you are changing lives than you know. Because of teachers and educators and administrators like you that speaks about life, our country, the Philippines, has a fighting chance. And the next generation has a fighting chance. That's why, keep on teaching. Ladies and gentlemen, harvest all the knowledge that you can. To everyone, I am honored to welcome you. And let's start this day's activity. Good morning, everyone, and welcome.